This is a fit for a 2013 through 2021 and possibly beyond Nissan Pathfinder with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Evo raised rail WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar Evo load bars in black, 53 inches in length, and the Evo raised rail foot pack, which grips to the raised rails with rubberized jaws. Here we have the bars positioned at 30 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum crossbar spacing is up to 38.5 inches. The maximum weight load capacity is 150 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.